Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Tuesday. I am super excited about this haul that I got. I hope it ain't going to be a long video because I picked up a massive haul today, about 22 or 26 items. So let's get into it. Make sure to watch the video to the end. I have a new channel that is displaying, and it's called Living My Best Life. I will leave the link in my description box. So, you know, every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I always pick up these 5-gallon Ziploc bags. They're the jumbo size, and these hold, as I have shown y'all in previous Dollar Tree videos, they hold a lot. And I am a bag organizer, so this is how big they are, just in case for the new people that are stopping by. Thank you for coming through and visiting me today. And if you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like. Leave me a comment down below and double tap that bell so you'll get notifications of all my Dollar Tree Tuesday videos and other content that I upload. So I got these bags again. I think I may have showed y'all that I got 5 in the last couple videos. Well, I done used them all. I done ran out, so I had to go get some more. And then, of course, I picked up 3 more because since I came across these bags, y'all, I have been bag crazy. Especially all the Dollar Tree hauls that I've been doing for future tablescapes and everything. I just don't have room, and it's easier for me to utilize these bags for $1, and then instead of going out and buying those big $5 crates, you know, with the lids. Eventually, I will be investing in more of those once I do my clean with me storage. Y'all will see why I am converting to the bags, because I have at least probably 20 of those $5 totes just stacked in my storage, and I really need to get over there and get them cleaned out. But this is just for people that have not seen these bags, have, you know, always wanted to try them, and wanted to know, you know, if it's worth $1. Trust me, these are worth $1. They hold so much stuff. Excellent find. And some of you had said in previous videos down in my comments that you utilize these bags. Well, I am new to the game, honey. And every time I go now, I try to pick up at least 3 to 5 of them, because this is the extra large ones. And I've been noticing they are very hard to find, especially down here where I'm at. They do carry the large, and it does come in the extra large. So you see these, pick them up. All right, so I'm bringing you one beauty pop product today, and it's by the Global Beauty Care. I've never tried this. If you ladies and gentlemen have you tried this, please leave me a comment and let me know what your results were. But this is the charcoal one, and they also had a mask with the gold. But I wanted to try to see how the charcoal is going to work on my face. And it says it's a spa treatment mask, anti-aging serum, soothing 15 minutes facial therapy. It deep cleans down to the pores and neutralizes skin. Facial treatment. You get 2 in a pack. So I'm just going to open them up real quick so you can see what they look like. 2 in a pack. So I will be trying this evening. So I thought that was a good find because I've seen these masks at Walmart for about $4 and $5 up. So I figured I'll give it a try. And then I've never seen this, it's called herbal toothpaste infused with activated charcoal. If anyone has used this and don't mind giving me put in a comment down below and let me know, have you seen the difference? It says it helps whitening your teeth. Oh, I can't talk today. But this is the tube. So I'm gonna try this out. In the next few days, and then when I come back I will give my review, and this is what it looks like inside. So hopefully this will help because I do drink coffee and nicotine, so I hope that this works. Then I came across Arnold Palmer, the half and half lemon iced tea and lemonade. I drink a lot of water due to my diabetes, and I figured that this would, flavor up my water. Sometimes I just get so sick of drinking water. Anything that I drink or eat, my sugar just goes way up. But this is from Arizona. You just shake one of these and you drop it in your water. So I'm gonna be trying this and getting back to you. And I picked up 2 of the toilet bowl cleaners. You just drop them in your toilet and they do their thing for about 10 to 15 days. Freshen up your toilet bowl, and then it leaves your toilet blue as well. I found for my grandson, I couldn't believe that not Walmart, that Dollar Tree is carrying the Pampers wipes, and you get 18 in a pack. So this was an awesome find for $1. So I will be picking up more of these, because wipes, you can carry these just for your personal, when you're, if you do a lot of traveling like I do, these are great just to have, on your carry-on luggage, in your purse, keep them in the car for spills and sticky stuff, after you're done eating while you're driving, to wipe your hands. And then an emergency, if you got to pull over at a gas station, you have your wipes. But I plan on putting these in one of the gift baskets for my grandson that'll be born shortly. And then I came across which I've seen the gold, but I haven't been able to find it. And I also forgot to tell you that I went to a new dollar store today. So I got my table runner in gold. It's like a goldish yellow, I guess. And then of course, one in white. And some DIYs will be coming up with my table runners. Okay, that is like my signature thing with my table runners. I love making my own table runners. And then I found a purple tablecloth for one of my DIYs. Didn't want to spend too much when I'm just going to, you know, rip down my table soon as after I get it filmed. So just got it in purple, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to jazz this up in the future video for my tablescape. I've saved the best for last, y'all. I went to 2 Dollar Trees, and the first Dollar Tree, I didn't even see these there. And then when I drove about 35 minutes, they had these beautiful table mats. Look at them. They're starting to come out with the spring collection. And to me, you can also, it's like 2 in 1. You can also use the other side as a mat. They had the dishes that actually went with that, but I thought that that would be, you know, too much matchy-matchy. So I picked these up and I got 4. And this is gonna be beautiful for the summer, spring, summer. And while I was looking, they had these glasses that are called Bloom Where You Are Planted. Look how nice these are. Has the little flowers in the front, and then on the back it has the bike. So I got 4 of these, and these are really nice to use on an everyday basis. Good iced tea in here. So you see how that matches, kind of blends in with it. I didn't want it to be too overwhelming, and you'll see this in an upcoming tablescape as well. So I'm just making sure that I was able to show y'all everything that I picked up today. I'm glad that you were able to join me on this wonderful Dollar Tree Tuesday. Don't forget, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. Anybody, just leave me a comment down below if you have bought any of these products in the past, especially the toothpaste. I would like to get some other viewers' feedback on how did you like it. Did it taste like charcoal? Was your teeth black? Did you see any improvement? Were your teeth any whiter? And then also with the charcoal mask, did you have any breakouts and so forth? So like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video. Don't forget, stop on over to my new channel, my lifestyle channel, Living My Best Life at 50 with Raquel. And on that channel, we're going to discuss important topics that affect us in our daily lives about diabetes, weight loss journey, sleep apnea, spiritual, mentally, and physical ailments, road trips, and I'm going to take my life back one day at a time. So don't forget to go over and subscribe. Thank you.